Hello everyone, this is Jay, and in today's video I wanted to talk about my favorite ETF, which is the Schwab US Dividend ETF SCHD. And as you guys can see here, it is my biggest holding in my portfolio at 24.2%, and I have a market value on this ETF of $1,933. And before we go into the Schwab website, please don't forget to hit that like button. I really appreciate everyone's support, and the channel continues to grow, and I'm very, very grateful of that. All right, so now let's go into the Schwab website. So as you guys can see here, Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, the symbol is SCHD, and the total expense ratio is 0.060%, which is for every $10,000 that you have invested, you pay only $6 a year. Out of those $10,000 invested. All right, so let's go into the objective of this fund, which is the fund's goal is to track as closely as possible before fees and expenses the total return of the Dow Jones US Dividend 100 Index. Some of the highlights of this ETF is a straightforward, low-cost fund offering potential tax efficiency. They pretty much don't hold any REITs, so that is great for the dividend, for the tax on the dividends. The fund can serve as part of the core or complement in a diversified portfolio. In mine, of course, it is a core holding, and I want to continue to grow it, of course. Tracks and index focus on the quality and sustainability of dividends and invest in stocks selected for fundamental strength relative to their peers based on financial ratios. All right, so let's go into their portfolio. So as you guys can see here, the top 10 holdings as of October 27, it is Amgen, AMGN, at 4.64% of the portfolio. VZ for Verizon, also 4%. AbbVie for ticker symbol ABVV. Merck, ticker symbol MRK. These are all great companies. Coca-Cola, of course, one of my favorites. Ticker symbol KO. Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO. Chevron, of course, is a big oil company. Ticker symbol CVX. PepsiCo, of course, another fan favorite right here. Ticker symbol PEP. Pfizer, which is one of my holdings also, and is in the top 10 here. Ticker symbol PFE. And Cisco Systems, ticker symbol CSCO. So all of these holdings have over 3.85% in assets in this portfolio. As you guys can see here, in the sectors, this is how they invest their money. So industrials is 17%, healthcare 16%, financials 15%, consumer staples 12%, information technology 11%, energy 10%, consumer discretionary 7.96%, communication services 4%, materials 3%, and utilities 0.32%. All right, so let's go into Seeking Alpha as to why am I talking about this this ETF right here. And it is down right now in the year to date. It is down 11.32% right here. The price that it closed on Friday, it was at $66.90. And if you guys look at it right here, the 52-week low, the lowest that it has been in the past 52 weeks, is $66.67. So right now, if you want to start a position in this with this ETF, you will pick it up at a nice 52-week low price right now. If you look at it, the expense ratio, of course, 0.06. The dividend payments, it is quarterly. This ETF pays quarterly, and right now the dividend rate is $2.62 a year per share. That yield right now, 3.91%. Wow, it is almost at 4%. So any shares that you pick up right now, you'll be getting at almost 4% dividend yield. That is incredible. That's amazing. I definitely wish I had a ton of money so I could pick up some more. But of course, guys, I'm not pumping this stock or this ETF. Don't just go buy it because I'm mentioning it here. I'm not a financial advisor, of course. Always do your research. But if this is one that you have in your watch list and you were waiting for the right time to pick up some shares, I think right now it is the right time, to be honest with you. Assets under management is $44.97 billion. Which is crazy. When was the last time? Let's take a look. Let's open the 5-year chart, and then when was the last time that it was around $66? So it looks like this was around, it had to be somewhere here. I want to take a look, and I think, oh wow, September 30th. It was at $66.43. So right now it is at the price that it was in September 30th of 2022. So if you want to pick up some shares, definitely right now it is the time. And let's go down the holding breakdown. We did review that already in their website. But if you guys want to take a quick look here in the returns, the price return in the last 3 years, 18%. In the last 5 years, 36%. In the last 10 years, 90%. So any shares that you bought 10 years ago today, you will have right now a 90% return. Now, if you go ahead and take a look at the total return, which is dividends with dividends reinvested, it is in the last 3 years 30%, in the last 5 years 61%, and in the last 10 years 160%. Only 20% under the S&P 500 total return, which is great right now. All right, so if we go take a look, those were the holdings, and right here, this is my favorite part, which is the dividends. And right here, I can't stop looking at this 3.91%. It is just amazing right now. I definitely want to pick up some more shares. The 5-year growth CAGR, right? It is 13.69%. That's a 13% growth in that dividend. Every year. Years of growth, 11 years. Pretty much the whole time it has been in the stock market. The ex-dividend date, it paid already. It paid on September 25th. The next payment, it should be in December, and I am definitely waiting for that one. And as you guys can see here, my favorite part, that dividend growth history chart right here. As you guys can see here, every year it just continues to grow and grow and grow. And in 2020, it was paying $2.03 per share a year. 2021, $2.25, and 2022, $2.56 share per year. This one is definitely my favorite holding right now. Let's go into my my Google Sheets, and then let's go into my dividend portfolio so we can take a look. All right here in the second tab, right now it is SCHD. I have 28.9 shares. The price, as I've said before, $66.90. So that's definitely looking really, really good. My cost per share right now is at $72.60. I definitely want to pick up some more shares at that price. I wish I was getting a bonus or something this week so I can pick up some shares, but I am not. I'm going to take a look at my budget tomorrow to see how I am, and maybe I can put like a little bit more money into this stock. My market value right now, it is $1,933. I have invested into this stock plus the reinvestment on the dividends, a total of $2,098. Right now I am down $164. And if we take a look to the right, I have it right here. My yield on cost is around 3.61%. My estimated next dividend is $18.92. So this is not an exact number. Of course, it's gonna depend on what the next dividend payment is. I don't think it's gonna be the 65 cents that they did the last time. I do believe it's gonna be more, probably around between 70 and 72 cents a share. So that's gonna be great if it does go over 71 cents a share. And right now, this is my estimated yearly dividend. So in the next 12 months, if every quarter they pay 65 cents, this is around how much I will get, which will be $75.66 a year. So I'm definitely trying to grow that position right there. It is my favorite ETF, as you guys know. All my subscribers know that this is my favorite ETF, and I am not trying to pump this ETF right now. But I just wanted to make a quick video and let you guys know that that right now it is at a 52-week low, and anyone that is viewing this video, is checking out this video, or it is one of my subscribers that is just waiting for the right moment to invest in this ETF, I do believe, in my opinion, it is right now it is the moment at the 52-week low price. All right, everyone. So please let me know in the comment section. Do you own SCHD? Do you like it? Are you not a fan of it at all? You're not really looking into this one. Do you hold it? Do you have, how many shares do you have? I know there's people out there that have like 1,000 shares, 500 shares. I wish I have that many shares. I have right now 28.9 shares. I definitely want to get to the 50 shares, and I am being very positive about it and very bullish. This next week, I get paid for my second job, so hopefully I can put like a little bit extra money and buy some more SCHD. All right, everyone, please don't forget to hit that like button so it can continue to reach other people, get me and get some more subscribers that I really appreciate it. Like how the channel is growing, and I really like making these videos and talk to all of you guys in the comment section also. I really enjoy doing that. All right, everyone, so pretty much this is it for today's video. Please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.